Hi guys, this is Primrose and welcome back to my channel. And we are having a better weather today. Compared to the past days, we had some rain and thunder and lightning. It's a little bit overcast today, but it's not that bad. And I hope you are all enjoying a better weather. And also I am very excited to share with you I received another surprise, and it doesn't say where it came from, but I am guessing this is from George of Plantz, Treasures of Plantz. He very kindly offered me some cuttings of his fish hooks, and I am so excited because I do not have a fish hook in my collection yet. It's a trailing succulent, I believe. And I went ahead and opened up the sides already. That way it will be easier for me to do this with just one hand. Wow, look at that. That is very exciting. I think this is another variety of epiphyllum. And it's a perfect piece as well. It's very healthy looking, very lush. I love those serrated sides. I love how it looks. Thank you so much, George. You make me happy. And this is the fish hook, and it's got some roots already, and it's looking a little bit dehydrated, but it's very easy to fix. And that is why I always want to open the box right away. That way the plants can get the attention that it needs. And it's quite long. Thank you so much, George. And I got a note, a little note. And epiphyllum anguiger. I must have butchered it, George, I'm sorry. From my mother-in-law. Front porch. Hugs. Oh, he's so sweet. So these are from his mother-in-law. Thank you so much. And yeah, I have to take care of these beauties right away. So the link to George's channel will be posted down below. He's got a very amazing channel, he's got a huge collection of beautiful succulents and cacti. So please go ahead and show him some love and support. And George, thank you so much. I will take care of these plants, of these babies. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.